Hey guys, my name is Danielle Renee, and for today's video I am finally going to be coloring my hair. I have had this balayage. I got it done a year ago and it's just grown out, and I've used purple shampoo, blue shampoo to try and keep up with it and get the brassiness out, but it is just overdue. I'm ready to have all one color. So yeah, I am so ready. If you are interested in seeing the products I use, how I apply it, and obviously the end result of the dark brown hair, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so for the products, I got a bowl. Of course, you need your bowl or at least a little squeeze tube. And I'm going to do 20 developer because I do have to get rid of some of the blondish areas, and I really want to make sure it comes out to be all one color. So I want to get a little bit stronger of a volume to make sure that it stays in and fully colors the hair. Got the brush, some clips to obviously help part my hair and section it out with a comb. And then I got 2 of the Ion Color Brilliance Permanent Color Dark Brown, the shade 3G. I have used this line before, the Ion Color Brilliance, in like the burgundy and red shades, but never the brown. So I'm excited to try it because I know that I do like this product, so I'm sure it'll be fine. And then the vinyl gloves, they didn't have black, so I had to get the clear ones. So yeah, this is what we're using, and let's get started. Okay, so the ratio is 1:1. So I'm gonna use the 20 developer, and I'm gonna do 4 ounces of that and then empty both of these tubes. So normally I would stand up and do this process, but for some reason I just feel the need to sit down. I put some towels, on the side of me and behind me and in front of me, but I just really feel like I want to sit down. I have a mirror in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, now that I've mixed the color, I did the 4 ounces of 20 developer and 4 ounces of color, and I mixed it up. So now I'm just gonna make sure my hair's all nice and combed through, and I'm gonna be starting from about here down first, and then I'm gonna hit the roots just because the bottom is lighter, and obviously it's gonna take longer for the brown to get on the lower part, but the top part will be really easy since my hair is natural and it's already brown. So this will be the most work, is getting this all to the same color as the top. Oh, and I did wash my hair yesterday because I know you don't want to you don't want to wash your hair right before you color it. You want it to be a little bit dirty. And I put very minimal products in my hair yesterday for this reason, because I knew I was going to color my hair today. Okay, so we split it into 2. I'm just going to start with the bottom first and then make my way to the top. Alright, so the color is in. I tried to get it as saturated as possible. When I was looking at the ends, they're definitely getting darker already, so I think we're gonna be good. I tried to get some of it off with this micellar cleansing water. It's a makeup remover, and it helped a little bit, but it definitely didn't take off everything. But I'm gonna wash my face and obviously scrub my body when I take out the color, and hopefully all this will come off. 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer for 40 minutes because it has been in for a while already, and I don't want to overdo it. 40 minutes is on the clock. I'm gonna pick up this stuff, go see what the boys are up to. Alright, so I just got out of the shower and I'm really excited because it looks all one color. I still do have color on my face. So when I was in the shower, I was able to actually get like all of the hair color out, which has never really happened. Usually by the end of the shower, there's still color coming out, but it all came out. So I didn't shampoo and I just used a deep conditioner. I'll put a picture of it right here. So I just did that treatment. I'm gonna put what I normally would for when I do my hair naturally curly. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how I style it and then show you the end results. I'm going to use my microfiber towel and just get some of the water off before I put my gel in, just so the water doesn't weigh down my hair and it's able to get a good curl. So I'm going to put in this gel. Back with the curl activator. And now the gel. Now I'm going to flip my head over and do some upward scrunches so it gives it some volume. The last thing I'm going to go in with is the Redken One United. It's just a benefit treatment. It's good for frizz if you're going to use a hot iron. So I'm just using this kind of to help the frizz, give it some moisture. Alright, now I'm going to diffuse my hair. I have a Hot Tools blow dryer. Okay, so my hair is about 90% dry. I'm just gonna let it dry the rest on its own. But yeah, color-wise, it looks really, really good. I feel like it's an even color all around. I like the golden tone on it. Alright, so it is the next day. I wanted to, you know, style my hair a little bit and do my makeup so you can see what it looks like all together. I am in love with the color. I feel like it did a really good job getting the color all nice and even. It's not super dark. You could definitely still tell that it's brown, and it has that golden tone to it, so it is warm tone. So I think it fits my complexion really well. So yeah, I am like really happy with the results. And so this is probably about the 5th or 6th time that I've used the Ion Color Brilliance, and I've loved it every single time. So I would definitely recommend. My scalp wasn't itchy. I didn't have any issues. My color came out really easy. I was able to get it to where nothing was coming out anymore when I was in the shower like that. And I feel like it did a really good job, like I said, putting all the color through those blonde areas and making it look all the same color. So yeah, I love it. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.